Ronald Ross. Ronald Ross, born in Elmora, India in 1857, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1902 for his work on malaria. He received many honors in addition to the Nobel Prize and was given honorary membership of learned societies of most countries of Europe and of many other continents. He got an honorary MD degree in Stockholm in 1910 at the centenary celebration of the Caroline Institute. Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling, born in Mumbai 1865, then Bombay in British India, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1907. He remains the youngest ever recipient of the Literature Nobel Prize and the first English language writer to receive. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, 1861 to 1941, was awarded the 1913 Nobel Prize in Literature. He was a poet, philosopher, educationist, artist, and social activist. Hailing from an affluent land-owning family of Bengal, he received traditional education in India. Before traveling to England for further study, he abandoned his formal education and returned home, founding a school, Shanti Niketan, where children received an education in consonance with Tagore's own ideas of communion with nature and emphasis on literature and the arts. Citation: because of his profoundly sensitive, fresh, and beautiful verse by which consummated skill he made his poetic thought expressed in his own English words. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman, 1888 to 1970, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for the year 1930. He had been knighted only the year before and worked extensively on acoustics and light. He was deeply interested in the physiology of the human eye. A traditionally dressed man, he headed an institute that is today named after him, the Raman Research Institute, Bangalore. His nephew, the astrophysicist Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1983 as a United States citizen. Citation: for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of the effect named after him. Amrit Hargobind Khorana. Hargobind Khorana, January 9, 1922 to November 9, 2011, a person of Indian origin, shared the 1968 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his work on genes. He had left India in 1945 and become a naturalized in United States citizen in the 1970s. Citation: for their Khorana's, Robert W. Hollis and Marshall W. Nirenberg's interpretation of the genetic code and its function in protein synthesis. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, October 19, 1910 to August 21, 1995, was an Indian-American astrophysicist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1983, along with William Alfred Fowler for their work in the theoretical structure and evolution of stars. Chandrasekhar served in the University of Chicago faculty from 1937 until his death in 1995 at the age of 84. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, August 26, 1910 to September 5, 1997, was born in Skopje, then a city in Ottoman Empire. She is of Albanian origin. She won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Toiling for years in the slums of Kolkata, her work centered on caring for the poor and suffering, among whom she herself died. Citation: This year, 1979, the world has turned its attention to the plight of children and refugees, and these are preciously the categories for whom Mother Teresa has for many years worked so selfishly. V.S. Naipaul. A British writer, V.S. Naipaul Vidyadhar Suraj Prasad Naipaul was born in 1932 into a family of North Indian descent living in Chaguanes, close to the port of Spain, on Trinidad. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 2001. In awarding him the prize, the Swedish Academy praised his work for having united perspective, narrative, and incorruptible scrutiny in works that compel us to see the presence of suppressed histories. Tenzin Gyatso. Tenzin Gyatso, born 1935, 14th Dalai Lama, former head of state of Tibet and active leader of Tibetan resistance towards PRC, escaped to India when the PRC took over Tibet. Although legally a citizen of Tibet and hence indirectly China, he is the head of Tibetan government in exile which is stationed in India. He got Nobel Peace Prize in 1989 for efforts for Tibetan freedom through non-violence and spreading global peace through Buddhism. Also during prize distribution, head of prize committee commented that the prize was a part of tribute to memory of Mahatma Gandhi. Tenzin travels widely in an effort to promote peaceful ideals. Amritaya Sen. Amritaya Sen, born 1933, was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economics. Was awarded to him in 1998 for his work on welfare economics. He has made several key contributions to research in this field, such as to the axiomatic theory of social choice, the definitions of welfare and poverty indexes, and the empirical studies of famine. All are linked by his interest in distributional issues and particularly in those most impoverished. Sen showed that societies could find ways to elevate such a poor outcome. Citation: for his contributions to welfare economics. Venkataraman Ramakrishnan. Venkataraman Ramakrishnan, born 1952, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry along Thomas Estes Adayoneth in 2009. Ramakrishnan is a Fellow of the Royal Society, a member of EMBO and the US National Academy of Sciences, and a Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. He was awarded the 2007 Louis Genetet Prize for Medicines, the 2008 Hetley Medal of British Biochemical Society, and the 2009 Rolf Sammet Professorship at the University of Frankfurt. Citation: for studies of the structure and function of the ribosome. Thanks for watching.